Good morning, Mr. Montalongo. Sir, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. That is a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 6-month deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation that if you successfully complete, you do not end up with a conviction on your record, but it's not dismissed. You cannot tell people it was dismissed. It was a successful probation. If you complete it, you don't end up with a conviction on your record. There's a big difference. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For you to complete this successfully, you must do a batters intervention prevention program. That is a class that you must attend once a week for 18 weeks. You must do an anger management class. No drugs, no alcohol, no harassing, threatening, or abusive contact with a Cynthia Montalongo and a Odelio Montalongo. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with us until you either complete it successfully or it gets revoked. If you don't do your stuff on time, if you pick up a new case, if you get kicked out of a class, all these are causes that could be potentially revoke your probation. We issue a warrant for your arrest, put you in jail. You're looking at an entire year in jail if you violate this agreement. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Knowing all these consequences, by entering into this agreement, you give up nearly every right known to man. So if you violate this, holy moly, you're looking at a ton of time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you get this done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Good.
I'm not going to find you guilty. I will withhold it for 6 months, give you the opportunity to complete this thing, and I'll make you a deal. If you do well, if you get your stuff done quick, I'll take you off in half the time as a reward. But that means be nice to everybody. Don't be a problem. Don't test positive for anything. And just be nice. It's not hard. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The worst possible thing you could do is just take off. Because once that happens, you abscond, we issue an immediate warrant. If there's ever an issue, you can come back, talk to us, and we can always work things out. It's never about the money. I don't care about the money. I care about you doing the classes and you learn something so you don't come back. There's an affirmative finding of family violence on this thing. So that means you pick up another one, you could be looking at a ton of time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not own a gun or ammunition as a result of this thing as well. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, buddy. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.